You are going to love the 2013 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.